could you please introduce yourself, tell us who you're with, and some titles that you've worked on?
Hey, I'm Stephane Bura. Right now I'm the lead designer at Storybricks. I've been in the industry since, well, 15. I've been in the industry for 15 years, wow. I've mostly worked on projects that nobody heard of because I work in France. Previously I was a game designer, tabletop game designer.
How did you find yourself working in game AI? What was your educational background, and how did you get here?
Well, tabletop gaming got me there because when I started role-playing, I wanted to explore world building, and when Ultima came along a long time ago, I thought that, okay, this was going to be the perfect environment. A computer was going to be the perfect environment for this type of gaming, and I've been pursuing this till then and since then. And AI is what is needed to create such convincing, enthralling worlds. So that's where I went.
Is your academic background computer science, or did you pick that up after the fact?
Well, it was a conjunction. I studied AI. I have a master's in AI and did some. I tried to get a PhD, but instead I went into the industry.
Good choice.
Well, the PhD was for studying stuff that I eventually applied in the industry. So.
Oh, okay. What elements of that background of computer science, math, art, other fields we might not think about do you draw on when you're looking to solve AI problems?
All of them. That's what you learn when you want to become a game designer, because that's mainly what I am. AI is just one of the tools I use. Is that everything can be drawn upon. Okay, if I want to give one source, for instance, architecture, or the work of Christopher Alexander, who invented the design patterns that programmers use, but it can be applied to everything, and so I try to apply it in my design and how I approach AI, because I love this stuff. But everything: sociology, anthropology, art.
Okay.
I have no restriction.
Is there an example from a title you worked on where game AI made the problem easier to solve? That you were able to share?
Well, my current project is all about AI. It's about emotions in a complex world. Characters able to convey emotions, and this is all about AI. I talked about it at the AI Summit, how I approach a problem, but it's game design that is so closely linked to what the AI solution is for the world, that AI defines the gameplay. So it's not so much AI solving a problem, but AI being part of the design.
Okay. So what would you say the most important thing is for game educators to know about the difference between academic AI, traditional AI, versus game AI?
Well, game AI is about doing stuff. That's a whole difference. And most of the time it's about doing stuff to the player. Changing him, making him react, making him see that what he does has meaning. So it's not about solving problems, it's about interaction. So you've got to understand who's using your AI when you design it. That's the biggest difference. And when you understand that, that's where you draw on all the sources that we talked about. When you understand that, well, your AI touches people.
Okay. What would you want to see coming out of like a student portfolio if they say, I want to work in game AI? What would you be looking for?
Well, AI that touches me, AI that makes me believe that there is something. AI is about illusion. AI is about convincing lies. So lie to me and convince me. And if I feel that there is something that surprises me, that touches me, that make me think, in that piece of software that you show me, I'll be very happy.
Is there anything else you'd like to say regarding Game AI life, the way to approach this?
I touched on the subject in my talk. Game AI is design. So if I had only one message, it would be game designers and AI engineers talk more about game design and not only about problems that you want to solve. But we're getting there. There are many talented designers that have understood that, and we're getting there.
Well, thank you very much.
Well, thank you, Bill.